Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, fortunately, our day started off a lot quieter today. We didn't see those strong storms like we did yesterday morning, but we did see a few showers move through the area early today, and then those quickly moved to the north early this morning, and that left us with a pretty nice afternoon. Very humid, though, out there, and you can see a little bit of sunshine out there toward Kingsville. So nice to see a little sun out there this afternoon, but it's quite warm. Right now, we are at 84 degrees in Corpus Christi. That heat index up to 93 degrees. Southeast winds, not too bad, 15 miles an hour. But boy, that humidity, it's up there. The heat dew point's at 76, and that humid weather is going to stick around all week long. Current temperatures right now from 81 at Port Aransas to 86 at Alice, Orange Grove, and Beeville. And Corpus Christi right now sitting at 84 degrees. As we look to tonight, though, we're just not going to cool down. It's cloudy, it's warm, and it's going to be quite muggy out there. That breeze blowing only at 14 to 18 miles an hour tonight. So the highlights for your Wednesday. We do have a spot storm chance tomorrow, but it doesn't look like much of the area is going to get wet. If we see anything pop up, our better chance is going to be in our northern counties and inland areas tomorrow. It's going to be awfully warm, though. Those heat indices climbing again into the low 90s. The temperature tomorrow rising into the upper 80s in our inland areas, and a bit breezy at 15 to 25 mile-an-hour winds. Now, breaking down those temperatures for you, you can see that we do have a fairly dry day here, and we're going to see very warm conditions because of that little bit of sun coming out in the afternoon and the breeze is picking up for your Wednesday. So all in all, no big surprises for tomorrow, but again, can't rule out a spot thunderstorm chance, especially in the afternoon and into the early evening. Look at some of these temperatures tomorrow, up to 87 degrees at Corpus Christi to 88 at Orange Grove and Kingsville. It's going to be very warm out there, so you might be heading to the beach tomorrow. Might not be too bad of a day to get out to the ocean. The air temperature hovering very close to 80 degrees at the beaches tomorrow. And we do have, though, that rip current risk again. It's in the moderate category. The water temperature warming. Today it was at 78 degrees. As far as your allergies are concerned, well, the pollens are coming back up again tomorrow and Thursday. They dropped quite a bit today, but they're back up into that medium range. But all the rain that we're forecasting for the end of the week does bring those pollens back down for Friday and Saturday, hoping to clear out the air a little bit. All right, all that rain we're talking about, it is going to increase as this front gets closer to us. Already severe storm boxes, and this is a tornado watch box posted to our north. That storm system gradually working its way into Texas is going to bring heavy rain with it, as we're already seeing a complex of heavy rain near Houston this afternoon. That is going to be the case the next several days. For us, our rain chances ramp up, and the best chance is going to be Thursday night into Friday morning, and then again as we head through the weekend, especially Friday and Saturday. Now, heavy rain is likely with some of these storms. To give us more insight on that, here's Cole Vaughn. Cole, what are you seeing?
Yeah, Sharon, this is probably going to be one of the heavier rain events that we have seen so far in 2019. You can see the potential future rainfall. This is for the next 5 days. Talking about the Houston area, potentially seeing 5 to 7 inches of rain all the way through the next 5 days. But as we bring things down here closer to Corpus Christi, you see that number is going to fall off as some of those oranges are mainly to our northeast. So we're expecting 2 to 4 inches kind of scattered around the coastal bend, lower totals down to the south, and those higher totals are going to be up there to the north and northeastern parts of our viewing area. However, it does look like some of our morning commutes and then driving weather is going to be affected by this. I think by Friday morning, that's going to be a morning commute that has the potential to be extremely impacted by some of this heavy rain. And then even on into Saturday, we could still be looking at that potential for street flooding depending on exactly how much rain falls. Sharon?
Rain, but we also have the potential for some severe storms in this. Tomorrow, you can see how the severe risk, here we are, Corpus Christi. As you go north, there's just a marginal risk if anything develops. But Thursday, we have a better chance at seeing any storms that could produce severe weather. That marginal risk is for all of the region Thursday, and that would be late Thursday and Thursday night. As we get into that time period, we're looking at damaging wind, possibly some large hail, but heavy rain is also going to be a threat with these storms. So looking at the 7-day forecast, then you can see those temperatures do stay very warm until Friday. They drop off because of the rain. The rain is likely. We have periods of showers and thunderstorms all the way through Mother's Day, but I do think Mother's Day it'll be more scattered. They'll start to thin out a little bit, and then as we head into next week, we continue with this unsettled pattern with a chance of storms each day.